feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I took Israel Christmas tree shopping and he chose this Christmas tree for £190, and obviously your girl can't afford that, so I went to eBay and I bought this basic tree, 8 feet, and I said to myself that I'm gonna make it look like the £190 tree. So I went on Amazon and I bought myself some snow spray and also some snow powder, which you activate the snow by using a water spray. So I'm going to show you guys how I do all of that, so stay tuned guys. I'm really excited for this video, so yeah, stay tuned. So first thing that I'm going to do is unbox the Christmas tree, and basically the tree came in 4 parts. It was quite difficult to put it together, not the actual tree but the base bit. It was quite tricky, but I got there at the end. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I put the Christmas tree together. So yeah, keep watching guys. So this is how the Christmas tree is looking guys. This Christmas tree is so tall. Can you see that? It's so tall. It's literally touching my ceiling and I can't click that in. But yeah, I'm just gonna separate the tree now so it doesn't look so skinny like it looks now. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So yeah, I've done the bottom bit, I'm left with the top bit, but I'm gonna have to move the Christmas tree from where it is to a different place because it doesn't fit. So yeah, I'm gonna have to move it to where that little sofa is. So I'll show you guys when it's done. Yeah guys, as you can see, I've moved the Christmas tree and I have actually separated them. So I'm now going to start with the spraying of the snow. So I'm going to show you what I used for the snow. So first you need a spray bottle and you need a sieve and obviously the snow powder. So the first thing you do is you spray the Christmas tree with the water, and then after spraying the Christmas tree with the water you sieve the snow on there, but I couldn't bother to do that, so I just decided to pour it on there directly because I'm so lazy. But yeah, it worked anyway. So the glue the powder has glue in there, so it glues itself onto the Christmas tree, which is really good. So yeah, that's what I done. And obviously if you cannot buy the powder, you can always get the spray bottle as well. I'm going to show you how it looks with the spray as well. So hubby came to the rescue by showing me how to do it properly with the sieve, and as you guys can see, it looks much better than the one that I done. So let me show you guys. Can you see that? Like, it looks so real and so pretty. So yeah, now that we're done with the snow, we're gonna move on to decoration. First, let me actually show you guys how it looks like. Can you see that? It looks like actual snow, and it doesn't come off on your hands like that much. A little bit comes off, but not that much. So anyway, let's move to decorations. So I went to Home Bargain and I purchased these decorations. I wanted to use gold and silver with a bit of rose gold. So yeah, that's the theme that I was going for, and these were quite affordable. I think these ones were $3.99. So the first 3 that I've showed you are $3.99. That's $3.99 as well. And the cheapest that I bought was £1.50, which I believe this one was. So yeah, if you're in Leicester or anywhere else, go to Home Bargain and get yourself some Christmas decorations because they're really nice and very much affordable. So yeah, let me just get on with decorating the tree and I'll show you guys how it looks like. Guys, this is how my tree looks like. I am so in love with it. Like, it looks so good. So yeah, don't waste your money buying snow tips. You could do it yourself and save a couple hundreds of pounds. So yeah, now I'm gonna surprise my baby boy with the decoration, so stay tuned guys. Yeah, you wanna come and see? What's that? You like it? You like it? Yeah, go have a look. You see the light? You see the balls? Yeah. You wanna go and touch it? Go on then, go and touch it. Wow. Is it nice? So glad my baby boy loves his tree. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share this video with all your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned how to make your own white tip Christmas tree. See you guys in our next video.
Bye.